Hi, so I'm Jeroen Van Erp. I'm a technical advocate at SUSE, and my job is actually to tell stories all about our cloud-native portfolio. Well, we had SUSE Rancher Day again. We did it with Instruqt as usual, and we had a great fun. What we did is we built a bunch of labs in Instruqt based all around our SUSE Rancher Prime offering. I think we had about 110, 120 people inside of the room, and they all participated, they enjoyed it. So we had people who were very experienced with Rancher and just wanted to see the newest things, customers, prospects, basically a good mix. What will they take away from it? Well, why SUSE actually can help you manage your Kubernetes clusters, your workloads, how you can do that, but also how you can get secure images into your cluster, why that is important, and how you can harden that cluster. And then we wanted to introduce Liz, the AI assistant. It helps users of Rancher actually troubleshoot what happens in their clusters. For Liz, we need a bit more GPU capacity than what we had initially available in Instruqt. So what we did now is we added a bunch of GPUs to our lab and had the users connect to those. Every year we have what we call the SUSE Expert Forum, which happens in Germany. And what we launched in January is support for /16 for running MCPs. So actually having an MCP that gives access to your SUSE Linux enterprise systems. We used Instruqt to actually build a workshop around that with GPUs so that we could utilize a local model that connects to the SUSE Linux Enterprise MCP host and was actually able to interact with SUSE Linux directly from the chat window. What we did that event for is an introduction of SUSE Linux Enterprise 16, which had, as a first Linux, actually native AI support. We could not run that on a normal sandbox. We needed GPU support for that because we wanted to run a local Ollama model connected to that SUSE Linux Enterprise instance. And what we did is we actually did an escape room where an LLM or an AI agent actually went rogue and locked people out of their instance, and they had to use their friendly LLM with the MCP to escape. I like the ease of use of Instruqt, right? It's very easy to build the labs and build them out. The end users all like it because they need a laptop, they log into an environment, and they have a fully working cloud-native environment set up for them where they can experiment, where they can actually learn about our tools. There's no hard setup, there's no local installation. It works on every machine.